Welcome to Mr. Brandt's 5th grade everyday math review. Today we're going to be going over lesson 3.10, which is exploring addition of fractions with unlike denominators. We've got two examples here, and I'm going to start off by saying I don't typically like to do this, but I'm going to show you the wrong way to do it, and then we're going to go and do it the correct way. So our first problem here is 1/2 plus 2/6. And a common mistake that 5th graders make is that they will just add the numerators together and add the denominators together. So 1/2 plus 2/6, they might come up with the answer 3/8. But if we look here, this piece represents 1/2. These two pieces represent 2/6, and this is 3/8. So if we put those two together, it should equal this. And as you can see, it doesn't do that. This is smaller than putting those two together. So this can't be the correct answer. When we're adding fractions together, the denominators have to be the same. The pieces have to be the same size. So throughout the year, we're going to talk about a variety of ways of doing that. But for today, we're going to go over, or I'm going to show you that we can trade for other pieces. So in this case, we would trade this 1/2 piece for 3/6 because 3/6 is equal to or the same as 1/2. So instead of having 1/2 plus 2/6, now we're going to have 3/6 plus 2/6. And as you can see, 3/6 plus 2/6 equals 5/6. So we add the numerators together. The denominator shows us how many total pieces make up the whole. That's why we can't add them together. Okay, so here's our second sample problem. Again, we have 1/4 plus 3/8. So the common error would be just to add the numerator and the denominator. So 1/3 plus 4/8. Some people might say 4/12. But again, as you can see, these 4/12 right here, that isn't the same as this. That doesn't equal that. So in order to add those up, again, we have to trade out the pieces so that all the pieces are the same size. All the pieces have to be the same size. In this case, 1/4 is the same as 2/8. 1/4 is the same as 2/8. So we're going to take these 2/8 and we're going to trade it for 1/4. And now our new problem then is going to be 2/8 plus 3/8. And that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5/8. Again, we add the numerators together. The denominators do not get added together because that just tells us how many pieces there are. That's why we can't add them together. Okay, it tells us how many pieces there are. Now, again, as we go on throughout the year, we're going to be learning some different ways of doing this. So let's go ahead and move on to the practice. For the practice, they are asking you to write an expression, not to solve it, just to write the expression. So if we look at the first sample here, Emily took out 4 Monster cookies and 5 M&M cookies. Then she divided the cookies into 3 groups. So the first thing she's doing is kind of putting these together, the Monster cookies and the M&M cookies. So that would represent 4 plus 5. And that is going to go in parentheses. That's what she did first. Then she divided the cookies into 3 groups. So that would be divided by 3. So 4 plus 5 is what she did first. That goes in parentheses. Then she divided it by 3. For the second sample, Alexis bought 4 bags of freezer pops with 3 in each bag. Then she and 4 friends ate 1 freezer pop each. So what did she do first? Well, if she has 4 bags of freezer pops with 3 in each bag, that's going to be a multiplication problem. So we have 4 times 3. It's going to go in parentheses. Then she and 4 friends ate, oops, typo, ate 1 freezer pop each. So she and 4 friends, that would be 5. If they ate them, that means they would be taking them away. So for this one, it would be subtract. So 4 times 3 subtract 5. Hope this video was helpful. See you in the next one, and have a good rest of your day.